Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to make app icons black and white on iPhone. Let's begin. First, go to your home screen. To start customizing your app icons, press and hold on the screen until the icons begin to wiggle. Once they do, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap the Edit button. Now, you'll see an option called Customize. Tap on that to open a new menu. In this menu, select the option labeled Tinted Color. This setting lets you change how your app icons appear. To create a black and white effect, reduce the intensity of any color. You don't need to select black or white directly, just lower the tint strength, and your app icons will automatically switch to a clean, monochromatic look. This gives your home screen a sleek, stylish appearance without needing to install extra apps or make complicated changes. These steps are based on features available in iOS 18, so make sure your device is updated. It's a quick and easy way to create a modern and uniform theme across your iPhone. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.